So I think one thing that I noticed, so I really started going hard at this in 2015. And it was right on the tail end of, there were a lot of other companies grew in the years prior to that, from like the people who couldn't sell. A lot of like people underwater because the market was terrible and they couldn't get it sold for what they needed. And so it was a lot of these accidental landlords. By the time I got in, a lot of those guys were starting to sell. Prices had risen such that now you didn't have to be a landlord if you didn't want to. And I think that served me well just because there were a lot of people who had sort of optimized for that client, where early on where we were getting success was like the retail client, still kind of quasi accidental landlord. They could sell if they wanted to, but there's just some reason that they kind of like the idea of owning a rental property, or they think maybe at some point they'd move back.